Images, text, buttons, columns, and blocks can be copied and pasted onto other areas within your website. All your website content can be copied and pasted onto other web pages too. To copy an element, click on the element until the menu appears above it, and then click on Copy. The copied element will now be sent to the Saved Blocks and Elements window of your website builder. On the top left corner of your website builder, click on the Copy icon to view all of your copied blocks and elements. Your copied elements will now be listed inside of this block. Click on the element that you would like to then paste onto a web page and drag the element onto the web page. A blue line will appear where the element will be pasted. When you are happy with the placement, drop the element onto the web page. Then click Save to save the change. If you would like to copy elements from one web page and add them to another web page, copy the element, and then click on the page's icon on the navigation menu. Select the page you wish to paste the element onto. Once on the chosen page, open the Saved Blocks and Elements window. Select the copied element and drag it onto the web page. The element will now be pasted onto a different web page. Then click on Save.